Feel those rough, dry, flaky patches that crack when you smile? Your skin barrier is destroyed. I've got 3 friends who rebuild it from scratch, starting now.
I'm Raw Honey. I'm a humectant, which means I pull moisture from the air directly into your cracked skin. I flood every dry cell with hydration on contact. I'm hyaluronic acid. Honey brought the water in, but I hold it there. I lock 1,000 times my weight in moisture deep inside your skin so it can't escape. I'm shea butter. I seal the top so nothing evaporates. Your moisture barrier is rebuilt, protected.
Pull, lock, seal. 3 steps and those dry, flaky patches are gone forever. Follow for more.